For more information, visit our website from the description.
Selling your home faster in 2021. Warning: copyrighted material owned by postnewyorkads.com. This presentation is brought to you by postnewyorkads.com. Your only choice for premium ads and discounts. We all know that buying or selling a home can be a time-consuming process. Although there are thousands of people looking to buy homes, it can be a tricky process finding the right person interested in your home. With hundreds of thousands of homes for sale in the United States, there is always some form of competition. If you're looking to sell your home fast, you'll need to attract as much attention as possible. A real estate agent can help, although he can only do so much. He can show your home and help to get it out there to buyers, although he can't make it sell. If you want to sell it fast, you'll need to do some work yourself. If you put the effort into selling your home fast, chances are that you will. This presentation is brought to you by postnewyorkads.com. Your only choice for premium ads and discounts. The quickest way to sell a home is by staging it. Staged homes literally invite the buyer in, making him feel right at home. Staged homes are also appealing both inside and out, and are more or less ready to be moved into immediately. They don't sit on the market for long at all, yet they bring a top dollar sell. If you are familiar with staged homes, you should know that they are among the fastest selling homes on the market. How to stage a house successfully. This presentation is brought to you by postnewyorkads.com. Your only choice for premium ads and discounts. Rule number 1. Maintain a clean home. There is something to be said about a neat and tidy house. Especially when you are sorting through home after home, looking for that perfect home for you and your family. This is also something that should be kept in mind while selling. There are a few other things you should also remember. Rule number 2. Add furniture. There is something cold about an empty house. It could be painted impeccably. It could meet every possible standard, and yet feel cold, and certainly does not satisfy a potential buyer during an inspection. This can easily be overcome by contacting a local furniture store or rental store, and picking out furniture that will match at least the primary rooms. Just a short reminder that this presentation is brought to you by postnewyorkads.com. Your only choice for premium ads and discounts. The home must be staged in order to make the home appear occupied. The primary rooms that you want to appear occupied are the living room, the dining room, the master bedroom, and all bathrooms. These are the main rooms that essentially sell a home, and it is important to make them appear neat, very orderly, and well cared for. If you have a budget for every room in the home, then make good use of it. Just a short reminder that this presentation is brought to you by postnewyorkads.com. Your only choice for premium ads and discounts. Staging is a huge selling point, particularly for those who are trying to sell quickly. If the home doesn't sell after the first 2 weeks or month, then you may want to remove the staging furniture to eliminate any excess expenses. However, it is strongly encouraged that you keep the furniture as long as the home is on the market and being shown frequently. Rule number 3. Always decorate the home before staging. A seller also wants to create an atmosphere of warmth and comfort. This means that you want to have prints on the walls, mirrors, plants, and pillows. You may use ornaments from your own home in order to establish an atmosphere of comfort. Be sure not to use sentimental favorites or very expensive pieces. Not all potential buyers are honest. Rule number 4. The home should smell good. Just a short reminder that this presentation is brought to you by postnewyorkads.com. Your only choice for premium ads and discounts. Another thing that may help a home sell is an appealing scent. There is nothing quite like the smell of cookies in the oven or flowers in bloom to make a home feel inviting or appealing. These scents can be easily accomplished with well-placed scented candles, potpourri warmers, fresh cut flowers, or an electric room freshener. But be warned, there are few things that will turn off potential buyers more quickly than an overpowering fragrance. So to keep this in mind, if you choose this option. In a nutshell, staging a home can absolutely lead to a higher offer or a quicker sell. Even in today's economy, if you don't want to use a real estate agent, it's still quite possible to sell your home fast. But you'll need to do everything yourself, which involves getting your home on the market and showing it to potential buyers as often as possible. You can also list your home on classified websites, like postnewyorkads.com, and also put a "for sale by owner" sign in the yard. This way, you are letting buyers know that your home is for sale. Remember, some buyers do prefer homes that are for sale by the owner, as they don't have to pay a real estate agent or deal with one directly. Just a short reminder that this presentation is brought to you by postnewyorkads.com, your only choice for premium ads and discounts. When you sell your home, you should always make sure that the exterior is clean, the lawn is trimmed, and the interior is in superb condition. If you plan to live there until it is sold, you'll want to make sure that you have the interior staged as best as you can. You want to give the buyer a great feeling, so he'll stay and won't leave. If your home is visually appealing both inside and out, a buyer will want to see more. Once a buyer wants to see more of your home, chances are you have found the individual who will buy it. You should never make the buyer feel pressured, but instead make him feel that you are interested in his thoughts and opinions. If you show a buyer that you care, you will go a long way in establishing trust, which will help you sell your home. For more informative tips, please follow us. Brought to you by postnewyorkads.com, your only choice for premium ads and discounts. See you soon.